Hello, everybody. Today we're gonna be showing you. There we go. So today we're gonna be showing you how to rewrite your save progress. What's going on is I cannot sign in. So my profile is Extra Mods. Let's see. Let me go find it. Okay, so you can see right now it says my profile right there. Now I'm connected to. So the Xbox Live says I cannot. It won't. The profile can't connect to Xbox Live. That's happened for Executive Mods. It says the profile cannot connect to Xbox Live, so I got upset. I said I did not want to start over. So here's a quick way to fix the problem. So if you don't want to start over, but if you do create a new profile, but you already want to have the same game progress, this is all you gotta do. Yeah, it works for Xbox. So all you gotta do is make sure you have Horizon. That's the most important thing. Make sure you have USB. Make sure you get that. And the second thing about, make sure you have two profiles, two Xbox 360 profiles, or else this will not work. Then all you want to do is you want to double click the save game file. And as it says Zexel Mods. Okay, it says my old profile. So what you want to do, you want to change it to Ice Jaguar 2018. Yeah, you want to change it to your profile. You want to save, click save, and then once you load it up onto, and all you gotta do is so it'll still say that, but all you gotta do is just eject your USB and then plug it back in, and it will say your profile. So when I did it, it did say Ice Jaguar. So right now, I'm gonna show you an example. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exit out of Horizon. That's the most important thing. I'm gonna exit on out. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to eject it. And it says it can now be safely removed. There's my USB right here. Now I'll plug it back in. And then it's back in. And then we go to Horizon again. Wait for it to load up. So this worked for me, and I was pretty happy about that. So that means I don't have to start over on the games that I saved on my old profile. All I gotta do is this Horizon, it'll fix the problem for me. So like I said, all you gotta do is eject it, and plug it back in. Go to your games. So I did it for Watch Dogs. So I'm gonna go to Watch Dogs, and now it will save Ice Jaguar. You can see right there, it says Ice Jaguar. That's pretty much all you gotta do for all your games. So here, see if I got any more. And it says right here, Ice Jaguar, because it was extra mods, but I replaced it. So I fixed it, and now it's Ice Jaguar 2018. So now I don't have to worry about starting over on the games. I can just plug it, eject it safely. Cause you always want to do that. Don't want to corrupt anything. And then just plug it back into the Xbox and play it on your flash drive, and it'll pop up, and you'll be able to play. So we're gonna. So I also did for GTA 2 as well. As you can see. So right now, here's what I'm gonna do is so. Also, GTA 4, it'll still say Cousin's Bell. I gotta put another save back in there. Anyways, this is how you do it, guys. So I'm also gonna show proof that it works on the Xbox. So we're gonna exit on out. I'm gonna go ahead and eject it safely, so I don't have to worry about corrupted profile. It said now can be safely removed. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this into my Xbox. You can see it's loading up. And it'll pop up. And then I go to here. I go to my profiles, Ice Jaguar, Jackson Mods. I go to the games that I had. So GTA, Ice Jaguar, GTA San Andreas, Ice Jaguar. Save to my profile. And then just log into your profile. Calls can't connect. All you got internet, but anyways, then all you got to do is make sure you log into your right profile and choose a game to play. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play GTA, and we're gonna see the results. So make sure you have this. Make sure you have Horizon, or else this will not work for you. You need a laptop, Horizon, and USB. Make sure you have both profiles, like I said, instructed. And so let's show the proof. It will show me the proof. It'll load up. So like I said, make sure you are into your right profile. Ice Jaguar 2018. So that's me. I already have an Xbox Live connection, but I have to do this offline in order for it to work. So it will load up. And guys, this is very helpful. This is really reliable. This can really help you out. So it's loading up right now, but this is really reliable. Horizon is reliable. You should get it on your laptop and download it immediately. It can really help you out. So you're gonna see it's gonna load up. It's not gonna take, because when I was playing GTA, it took me to the prologue mission to the beginning. Because when I look on my hard drive or USB, it says Zexamod. So I replaced the save file with Ice Jaguar, and you're gonna see something different. So like I said, make sure you have the right profile. Ice Jaguar 2018 is loading, and as you see right now, I am saved. My game's saved. My game is saved. The money I got, Michael, the game is saved. You see right now, the game is saved. I don't have to worry about starting over, and I am pretty happy about that. Go to game. All the missions it's already done. I'm pretty happy about that. And so that's all you do, guys. That's all you really do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more. And peace out.